Some things are best hidden away that us why more than 4,600 years ago, one civilization solved a problem most of the ancient world ignored: sanitation. In the Indus Valley, cities like Mohenjo-Daro were built with advanced urban planning, including something extraordinary for the time: flush toilets. Many homes had private bathrooms connected to covered brick drains. Water carried waste through underground sewer systems, keeping streets clean and disease under control. While most ancient cities dumped waste into open streets, the Indus planned sanitation across the entire city. For 1,000 years before modern plumbing, the Indus Valley built some of the cleanest cities in human history.